Okay, today is the second week of the renovation, so let's see an update. Okay, so it's the kitchen floor. It's already laid with the tiles. Seems good, except some cleaning. Okay, we poured some water for the workers to motivate them, I guess. Yes, voice hack, protection plasters. And for this week, basically, is mainly on the electric works, right? All the electric points and stuff and data points. Okay, that's my dad to check it out also, right? Okay, all these are the mess up. This is the oven that we save, and yeah, this is our bathroom accessories. Okay, wonder why they do it in this way. Okay, and look at the. Okay, it's a bit dark. This is a common bathroom. The tiles are almost there still, I think, except some deep cleaning, I guess. Okay, this is the master bathroom, right? Okay, the floors are done too. The wall tiles and yeah. Okay. Okay, that's it. It's very dusty, and I have we have more updates maybe the subsequent days or weeks. Thank you.